Addition is combining one number with another number. In this example, we have two sets of magic balls. On left side, we have 5 magic balls. And on right side, we have 9 magic balls. To add both sets of magic balls, we will first have to combine them. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 magic balls. Hence, when we add 5 magic balls and 9 magic balls, it becomes 14 magic balls. Or 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Let's take another example. In this example, we have 2 sets of dinosaurs. On the left side, we have 3 green dinosaurs. And on right side, we have 3 purple dinosaurs. To add both sets of dinosaurs, we will first have to combine them. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6 dinosaurs. You can see, when we combine 3 green dinosaurs and 3 purple dinosaurs, it becomes 6 dinosaurs. Or 3 plus 3 equals to 6.
If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website, sfpublishers.net, to discover more.